Hey guys, let's solve a simple problem. Let's print a rhombus pattern. First, let's take number of rows to be 5, and we need a outer for loop which will handle number of rows, and we need two inner for loops which will handle spaces and stars in this case. So first, let's print spaces. At each row, we need number of rows minus I number of spaces at each row. If I take example number of rows to be 5 and I equals to 1, then we will be printing 4 number of spaces in first row, and stars will be same at each row. Now here in this case we took number of rows to be 5, then at each row we will be printing 5 number of stars. The spaces will be reduced by 1 at each row, but number of stars will be same. Now we need a line break after each row. That's why we took system.println. Now here we can say number of spaces has been reduced by 1, like number of rows minus I, but number of stars are same at each row, but spaces has been reduced by 1. Now increment the row count and then rerun the code again. Now you can see same number of same, and number of spaces has been reduced by 1.